You okay?
So here's what I got the one of the guys that's going to come is I got the paramedics, right? So they're a little bit higher trained. I want them to check the kids out, okay? More than likely they're going to want them to go too. So that's why we pulled the car seats out. They'll be ready to go, but nobody's screaming, so we just want to take our time to do it right, okay? We do think with the way that you were hit, with the airbags and everything else, that 115, that will skip them.
I just 15 AMR is requesting a total location.
You okay, baby? It's okay.
Lonnie Pooh. That's the thing. That's she's smart.
You gotta explain this.
That's Lonnie Pooh. That's Lonnie Pooh.
Working on that third AMR.
It's okay, Jimmy.
And all y'all in the car, right?
No, just her. Me and my kids.
What are the other two?
Right there, and one is in her arms.
You're hurt, right?
My head hurts a little bit. Not that I know. They just screamed when they hit, and then I got everybody out the car. Because they hit on his side. I don't know if he was screaming when they hit, so I don't know. What'd she say?
She mad. They messing up her day. I feel good. We could be somewhere playing right now.
Oh my god, I think everyone's okay, hopefully.
I have to list all the children. I need their names and dates of birth if you want to start with that.
Okay, Majid, M-A-A.
M-A-A.
J-I-D.
Ride with us and then I'll go with and get him checked out, I guess.
Oh my god. Majid said he hit his head too. Can he be checked too?
Yeah, because if the kids are getting seen, they're gonna have to be in a separate ER room as you. If you're
not all gonna be together.
Okay.
So you want them to just get seen after you're seen?
They can be seen, and I'll tell his family, and they can be in the room with each one.
Take them to the other ER.
Well, we can get them checked first.
So they're gonna be the
and then
two,
I'll go.
and then you'll go after we check them in.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can you help me get demos real quick before we go?
Perfect. Okay, Muhammad. Birthday? So, you're okay with that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll get them checked in. You could come with us, and then basically after they're seen, you could literally walk through, and they'll take you around, or you can walk around.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'd literally have to separate you guys.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
We can go get them checked first.
Okay, so that's him. And then, what about?
And he said head pain, right? The one
He said head pain, yes. And I don't know about him. He's two, so I don't know.
Is he behaving normally?
He just threw up. No, he wasn't really talking at all like the other kids, actually.
Okay. Normally he talks more?
Yes.
Okay.
You're all right. You're a little scared. It's okay.
Everybody, we're gonna check your blood pressure. You ever had one of these before?
Yes.
Let's squeeze your arm. So two patients.
Two patients, peds. And you're okay getting seen after, ma'am, you said?
I'm okay getting seen after.
Okay.
Does anything hurt? What hurts? Your toe?
Alright, Mom, we're gonna go over here, okay? And once they're seen, like we said, if you want to get seen, you can go over, okay?
Yeah, as long as they're okay.
Yep.
Hey, baby.
M-O or M-U?
MU.
Vital signs. Is that your name? Then they'll get a doctor to see you. And his birthday? Okay. Which is good, they're all in the system.
Okay.
Excuse me, love, can I sneak through? I'm so sorry. Thank you. Okay, baby boy, Marlon. Okay. And you have family in the waiting room. Maybe they can wait with the children and you can go ahead to the adult side to get checked?
Yes.
I'm getting hungry.
Oh, we can take care of that.
We
Nope,
were on our
that's-
way to a cookout and
No problem. You know what? Once we get you into a room, we'll get snacks for everybody, okay? Let's see what else. I have some Star Wars.
I like Star.
Okay. I have some, these are, they're not, Ninja Turtles. Do you like Ninja? So there's the purple guy, the red guy, the group.